Right now I'm talking about pen tool. Pen tool is very powerful tools in Photoshop. Pen tool we are using for to create the shapes. Also for selection we are using. Okay, that pen tool is very useful tool. At the same time, it difficult also to learn. Okay, so first of all, I'm starting this here. There are some other option also here. Pen tool. Select this one first point, second point, third point. Okay, like this corner wise, you can create. And if you're moving this one, this is a one. Okay, escape and this one. So if you want to move this one by using this move tool, you are not able to move that one. So for shapes or pen tool, if you want to move, you need to use path selection tool. Select this one, you need to move anywhere. This is the path selection tool. By using path selection tool only, you can move this kind of pen tool. Okay, shapes you can move. Okay, so this is not closed one. So if you want to create a closed one, you can create like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Starting to end, you can close like this. After finishing this closed shape, if you want to fill any color in this, you can create also. So this is a selection tool. Just select this one. Okay, by using path selection tool, select this one. If you want to fill any color in this, you can fill. One moment. Okay, so one moment here. This is a closed shape. I'm going to delete this one. If you want to curved shape, you need to click here first. Second click, without releasing, you need to drag like this. Next click here, you need to click. Without release, you need to drag. So you will get curve. Next click here, it will be like this. Next click, it will be like this. Next click like this, like this, like this. You can join this area. Okay. Sometime when you are creating, it will be, automatically it will fill in your area. So here when you are starting selection here, there is a path. Okay, shapes, you need to create the shape. So if you are changing the shape here, when you are creating anything, it will automatically, it will fill the color inside. Okay. So this color you can change also by using, select this one, fill color. You can choose any red color or whatever, any color if you want, you can use. Also, there is a stroke option. There is no stroke for this. This is a pen tool shape. See here, if you want any stroke on the border, you need to select by using path tool. Here you need to choose the red one. And after that, you can increase the size. Okay, path size. Here I told you, this is a shape. So if you want to change this one, like one moment here. This is a path you can adjust. Also, after creating this one, if you want to edit this one, you can easily edit by using direct selection tool. Select this point like this, and you can adjust like this. Also, you can adjust the curve also. See, can adjust. In between here, if you want to add another point, there is also option. If you want to adjust here, we have another option here, add anchor point. You need to just click one anchor point here, and you can adjust like this. Okay, if you want one more point here, you need to select this one, add anchor point, just click here, select this one, and you can adjust. Here, if you don't want to this point, okay, there is an option, delete anchor point. When you're deleting, it will be like this. See, I don't want to this one also, this one, let it be this one, it will create this kind of shapes. Okay, here we have another, yeah, this is a tool. Then convert point tool. Convert point tool means when you're selecting this one, it will be corner shape. See, it will be corner. Exactly, when you are creating, the curve shape, when you're using this, okay, tool on the point, it will be sharp, corner based. Okay. So here we have other tool also here. This is a free form tool. Okay, free form, if you want to if you want to create, this tool we are using. Okay, when you're creating shape, I don't want to create the shape. I need a path. Path means only the border, only the shapes I need. Here, the second one, this third tool also you can use. If you're using this one, see, one click, second click, third click, like this you can create. This is also your, I don't want to create this one, and fill also I don't want. Okay, here not only the fill, if you want to fill color gradient also you can use. Which gradient you want you can use. If you want to more gradients, okay, here also you can adjust from here. Yeah, here which gradient you want you can use. Okay, this is for the pen tool. Pen tool, after I told you, after finishing the pen tool, you can use for path selection tool to select and move and all, or direct selection tool to adjust the point. Okay. At the same time, this is also path. What here you can see rectangular tool, round rectangular tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool. Okay. Rectangular tool, when you're creating, it will be like this, and automatically you will get a fill inside. So because already created this one, if you want to fill, you can use like this. Here by using this path selection tool, you can move anywhere. If you want to change the shape, direct shape, path selection tool you can use, and you can adjust like this. Okay, this is one option. The same, the rounder rectangular tool you can create like this, and if you want to add one more point here to edit here, you can create like this. And after finishing this one, direct selection tool, take like this, and from here also you can adjust how you want. Okay, there is a lot of option. Again, if you want to add one more point here, select pen tool, add anchor point, just select this one, and from here direct selection tool you can adjust. The elliptical tool also same, you can just try this one, elliptical model you will get. If you want to add any anchor point, you can there is an option for to add, to adjust like this. There's a lot of options available. Okay, after finishing this one, after finishing this kind of designing, you are creating like this. Okay, like this, like this. After that, if you want to apply color inside, so right click, here what you have to do, select this one, selection tool, right click, make a selection. You need to click this one, so you will get a new shape. After that, create a new layer, and if you want to color, okay, or any other color if you want, you can choose from here which color you want, and you can fill. Or if you want to apply the gradient in this, select the gradient. If you want to change the gradient, you can change the gradient from here. There's a lot of options. See, after filling, after making the selection, and if you're filling inside, okay, any color or gradient, and deselect, then you can use move tool. Right now, this is not a path, this is not a pen tool, because we convert as a selection and we fill some colors or gradient inside. That is the reason. Here I want to explain, polygon. This is a polygon. If you don't want to fill color, you can use this one. At the same time, if you want to fill the gradient, you can use, okay, changing gradient, or you can use, I don't want to fill anything. Here also, as I said, you can add anchor point, delete anchor point. Here by using, delete anchor point, if you don't want to delete that point, you can. Okay, there are some options. So the line tool also, just create line. Here, the most important thing is here in the shapes, called custom shapes tool. Custom shape tools, when you're using, you will get option here. Shapes, you will get here shapes. Click here shapes. There is a lot of shapes. If you know, this is only few shapes. If you want more shapes, you need to click on the settings. You can choose, animal, arrow, okay, artistics, film, frames, music, which one you want, you can use. I'm here selecting all. That means all shapes, it will come here, appear here. All shape, all shape you can see here. I'm selecting this one, just creating like this. Okay, and this one border you can get a black color. Okay, and if you want to fill this one, if you want to fill in this any color, select this one here, right click, make a selection, give OK, create a new layer, and you can fill the colorings. Deselect, and we have other shapes also. Select this one. Here, there is a lot of shapes. Which one you want, you can use. I'm just creating here one more flower. I'm creating here. Create like this. I don't want to fill color in this. I'm just selecting this one, filled. I'm making off, and by using this selection tool, right click, make a selection, give OK, and create a new layer. Better gradient you can apply. Deselect, you can adjust this one. Here there is a lot of shapes you need to check one by one. Okay, I hope this is clear for you. Okay, inauguration model, see, lot of option is there available, so you need to check one by one everything. Okay.